I'm founder of PhD Advanced Hair Trainer, Tanisha Hines, senior cosmetologist and trichologist. I've been using a Weave Buddy. I love it because it does what it says it's going to do. The clients love it. Let's go ahead and make a woman feel powerful. If you handle women with alopecia and hair loss, we always run to the glue. Let's go ahead and level up and get with this terminology and this technology that Miss Cat has presented us, okay? Now in March the 18th, make sure you save that date because I'm going to be looking for you, Baltimore. I'm looking.